Looking for innovative ways to boost your income? Dude, everyone is. The economy is a freaking roller coaster right now, and sitting around hoping for the best just doesn't cut it. You need to hustle, you need to innovate, and you need to leverage every single tool at your disposal. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This isn't just another tech gimmick, it's a total game changer. We're talking about transforming the way you work and earn. Whether you're a creative hustler, a side hustle ninja, or just someone who wants to take control of their financial future, ChatGPT can help you unlock serious earning potential. First up, content is king, right? But who's got time to brainstorm 24/7? ChatGPT to the rescue. This thing's like having a brainstorming machine plugged directly into your brain. You know there are endless ways to make money online, but finding them? That's the hard part. ChatGPT can help you uncover hidden income opportunities you never even knew existed. Always dreamed of being your own boss? ChatGPT can help you build an online empire step by freaking step. We're talking e-commerce, digital products, you name it. From writing killer blog posts to crafting engaging social media captions, ChatGPT can help you become a content creating machine. Freelancing is the ultimate side hustle, and with ChatGPT, you can seriously level up your game. Higher rates, better clients, ChatGPT can help you crush it. Don't just list your products, sell the dream. ChatGPT can help you write persuasive sales copy that converts like crazy. Provide instant support and keep your customers happy with ChatGPT-powered chatbots. It's like having a 24/7 customer service team. Email marketing is still king, and ChatGPT can help you write emails that get opened, read, and convert. Stop wasting time on endless Google searches. ChatGPT can help you find the information you need fast. From writing songs to developing video game concepts, ChatGPT can unlock your creative potential and help you bring your wildest ideas to life. Want to learn a new language or master a new software program? ChatGPT can be your personal tutor, providing explanations and guidance. In the age of social media, your personal brand is everything. ChatGPT can help you craft your message and build a powerful online presence. Whether you're asking for a raise or closing a business deal, ChatGPT can help you negotiate with confidence and get what you deserve. From creating budgets to tracking expenses, ChatGPT can help you take control of your financial life and make smarter money decisions. ChatGPT can help you research investment opportunities, analyze market trends, and make informed investment decisions. Have a killer product idea? Well, ChatGPT can help you with everything from market research to product development and launch. Whether you're building a startup or growing an existing business, ChatGPT can assist you in finding and recruiting top talent. Networking is key to success in any field, and ChatGPT can help you craft compelling outreach messages and build valuable connections. Time is your most valuable asset. ChatGPT can help you optimize your schedule, prioritize tasks, and get more done in less time. Fear can hold you back from achieving your full potential. ChatGPT can help you identify and overcome your fears and step outside your comfort zone. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. ChatGPT can provide you with daily inspiration, motivation, and accountability. Your mindset is everything. ChatGPT can help you develop a positive and growth-oriented mindset that will empower you to achieve your goals. Everyone makes mistakes. ChatGPT can help you analyze your mistakes, learn from them, and use them as opportunities for growth. The only constant is change. ChatGPT can help you adapt to change, embrace new opportunities, and stay ahead of the curve. What do you want to be remembered for? ChatGPT can help you define your values, identify your passions, and make a meaningful impact on the world. Your emotions can either empower you or hold you back. ChatGPT can help you develop emotional intelligence and manage your emotions effectively. Relationships are key to both personal and professional success. ChatGPT can help you improve your communication skills and build stronger, more meaningful relationships. What is your unique contribution to the world? ChatGPT can help you identify your purpose and live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Giving back is one of the most rewarding things you can do. ChatGPT can help you find volunteer opportunities, support causes you care about, and make a difference in the world. The world is constantly changing, and so should you. ChatGPT can help you stay curious, embrace lifelong learning, and continue to grow and evolve. Knowledge is power, but only if you use it. ChatGPT can help you overcome procrastination, set goals, and take action towards your dreams. Success is not a straight line. ChatGPT can help you stay persistent in the face of challenges, overcome setbacks, and never give up on your dreams. You are capable of amazing things. ChatGPT can help you build self-confidence, overcome self-doubt, and achieve your full potential. Life is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. ChatGPT can help you find joy in the present moment, appreciate the little things, and live a happier, more fulfilling life. You are capable of more than you can imagine. ChatGPT is a tool that can help you unlock your full potential, achieve your dreams, and live an extraordinary life. Guys, we've just scratched the surface of what ChatGPT can do. This is a total game changer for anyone who's serious about taking control of their future and building real wealth. But here's the thing, just watching this video isn't enough. You gotta take action. I've put together a detailed guide with all the strategies, tips, and step-by-step instructions you need to start using ChatGPT to transform your work and earnings today. It's available right now on Amazon. Click the link in the description and let's crush it.